Hey guys, and happy Amazon Prime Day. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life if you haven't followed me before, and today I'm going to share with you a whole bunch of my Amazon Prime Day favorites from the sale. So in this video I'm going to do kind of home car things, kitchen gadgets, things like that. I plan on doing a baby video for anyone who is expecting or has a little one under 1, a kids video with all of my favorite kid products, and then a beauty and fashion favorites video as well. So if you're interested in seeing the Amazon Prime deals I recommend, then keep watching. So if you haven't followed me, I do have an Amazon storefront. I will link that down below, and I will keep that updated with any new sales that I see going on, as well as my Instagram link, Lizzie Loves. It's all one word, so you guys can stay up to date with the newest deals. All these items are things we personally love and recommend, or they are personal wish list items that we are hoping to get during the sale. The first thing here is a fabric shaver. These are amazing at removing any lint and making your clothes and linens and couches, cushions, pillows look brand new. Super easy to use. Today it is 41% off. Comes in 3 different colors. If you're like me and hate seeing all the cords, especially around your bulky items in the kitchen, there are these cord wrappers. This is a 2-pack, and right now it is 20% off, and then there's an additional 20% off coupon you can apply on top of that. What these do is you stick them on to the back of your appliance, and then you can wrap your cords around it. It's just like a little command sticky strip, so it's really easy to hide away all of those cords you don't want to see around, and just easy to organize and store away. The next thing is a cool gadget that we got. It is called the Catchy Indoor Insect Trap. So this is one of my son's favorite things to do. So in the summertime, we kind of tend to get fruit flies or mosquitoes or things just coming in and out of the house. We have a pet, so what this gadget does is we store it in our kitchen, which is kind of by the back door, side door, and garage, and by the fruits that we do. And when you turn on the light or turn the system on, and then the bugs kind of are attracted to it at night, so I pretty much just do it on the nights that I notice we have a little bit more fruit flies or mosquitoes, things like that. So you turn it on, there's a sticky paper, so once they come to the light, they get landed on a sticky paper, so it's really easy to use. My son loves looking at the bugs in the morning to see if we caught anything. This right now is 25% off. We have this sunrise alarm clock, and this is super neat, and it is for adults too, and it kind of gradually gets brighter and brighter as you get closer to your alarm. Also can do some soothing noises like beach ocean waves. So this right now is 37% off today. If you're on the market for an Instapot, these are currently 38% off, basically like a slow cooker, but you can cook it a little bit faster. So these next things are perfect for the kitchen. They are the Amazon baking mats, but they're silicone. It comes in a 2-pack. I love to bake cookies on it, or bread rolls, or anything like that. It helps so you don't actually have to clean the nonstick pan, and also instead of getting parchment paper and constantly using it and throwing away parchment paper, you use these, and this is currently 40% off today. The next thing here is the basket that we use to house all of our missing socks and random socks or missing items from the laundry. You could also use this basket for other various things, but today it is 23% off. This next thing is one of my favorites, and I use as I am working on my fitness journey. It is a scale, but it is a smart scale or a fit scale. So it comes with an app, and you can weigh yourself, but instead of just weight, it does your water weight, your BMI, your lung. There's a whole bunch of things that it kind of measures in your body, so it's more than just your poundage and weight. And right now this is 43% off, and like I said, I've really enjoyed using it. I've had it for probably a couple of years now, and it just helps motivate me. Other than just seeing that number maybe not change, you see kind of what else is going on in your body. The next thing here is our roasting pan. So this is actually how I roast our chicken wings, and it's like one of my husband's favorite things, and this is currently 30% off today. The next thing here I had to throw in, this is my newborn picture frame. Super cute. It comes with 2 spaces, one for a hand, one for a foot. It has a really easy way that you can stamp the baby's foot and hand into the picture frame so that it's mess free, so highly recommend it. And then you can put your baby's newborn picture in the middle. So I have this of my daughter, and this is currently 20% off today. These mini ovens oven mitts are super cute with the blue gingham. These are 35% off today with an extra 20% off coupon. My family always needs humidifiers, especially in the winter time or allergy season. So the one we love is the Vicks humidifier. There is a space there that you can put in like the Vicks Vapo Pads, and it also has a big enough hole that you can actually get a good cleaning inside of the humidifier. These are currently 39% off today. The next thing are our wireless battery operated lights. So these come in a set of 3-pack. I have them going up to our 3rd floor stairs. This is just so we don't actually have to turn on the bright light to see and go up and down the stairs. These are currently 49% off today. Our ice cooler that we love and we take out for parties, things like that, is currently on sale for 24% off. Our TIC hard cooler, and we have the 45 quart. If you love salads, these chop scissors are perfect to make your chopped salad. They are currently 24% off. The next thing here are step stools. I have a 4-year-old and a 9-month-old, so these are needed kind of to help, especially my 4-year-old, reach certain things, especially around bathrooms, sinks, things like that. This is a 2-pack for 20% off today. I don't know about y'all, but in our stove we have those gap spaces on either side and food constantly falls in there. This is a neat gadget that you can put in those gaps. It's called a silicone stove gap. It comes with 2 of them in there, and it's currently 48% off, so that way the crumbs don't fall into the little holes. The next thing here is our candle lighter or lighter. This is rechargeable with a micro USB cord. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors, but the black one right now is 29% off. This magnetic wristband is something I gave my husband and all the men in my life. I do believe my dad for Christmas this past year. It's really neat because it has a Velcro kind of wristband, and then it's magnetic, so any screws, knobs, like bolts, all that kind of stuff will stick to it so they don't lose it while working on a project. It is currently 59% off today. The next thing here is the book light. We actually have this in my son's room. It's really easy to clip onto anything. Has 3 settings: a white light, a orange light, and then it turns off. Today it is 27% off. I will also say it is rechargeable, so you don't have to use it and plug it into something, which is really neat, but it will not last a full 4-year-old's sleep, if that makes sense. So we do keep it plugged in for him. The next thing here is the sluggish suitcase. I have my eye on. I just think it is gorgeous. Comes in a whole bunch of different sizes as well, and these are 36% off today. The next 2 things are definitely something I have my eye on. These kitchen towels. I love the tea kind of blue scroll detail on them, and this is 44% off. And then these lamps right here, they are so gorgeous, kind of look like little ginger jars, and they are 26% off today. The next thing here is a total splurge, and I don't know if we're ever going to get it, but it is definitely on my wish list. This is the Polar Express Bluetooth capability train set with remote. Now, the reason why I have this on here is I thought this would be super cool, especially when my kids are older, to have a train set kind of go around the Christmas tree, especially this Polar Express one. It looks so neat with all the little details and gadgets on it. Today it is 24% off. The next thing here I have my eye on is this electric wine opener. 1, it is stunningly sleek and beautiful, and 2, I just have a hard time opening wine bottles. So this is currently on sale for 20% off today. This next thing here has been a game changer when it comes to cleaning my bathroom shower, especially with all the tile grout. And this is an electric spin scrubber. It has 3 different heads. You can USB charge it, which is amazing, and it's 44% off. When I say this is game changer, definitely don't miss out on this deal. It is an amazing product. This next thing here I absolutely love in our house for decor. It is this set of 3 candlesticks. We have the one in the white wood, and I kind of put plastic candlesticks on top of it that kind of are like the electric ones, and these are currently 28% off today. My husband loves these weightlifting gym kind of workout gloves, and he highly recommends them. He uses them and they're 20% off, and then there's an additional 10% off coupon today. If you're looking for some good Rubbermaid containers, they are currently on sale for 28% off. I also have these push pin magnets. They hold up construction paper, your kids' arts and crafts, like little pictures from school, and it is currently 20% off today. today. Next thing here is this pineapple core. Definitely something I'm interested in. I have a hard time cutting pineapple. This makes it look super easy. Currently 31% off today. I found this pull-out cabinet organizer, which is super nice so that you can put it underneath your bathroom cabinet and then pull it out that way instead of trying to dig in there. These are currently 22% off with an additional 10% off coupon. The next thing here is all the rage here on social media, but they are the Ziploc Bag Storage Organizers. I found this bamboo one that is currently 20% off today. This next item is super unique. These are hinge magnetic decorative garage kind of hinges accents, and these are currently 30% off today. They are magnetic. You can remove them from your garage door, but it helps elevate the look of your garage door. This next thing is a recipe book I have my eye on from Tasty, and this is 52% off today. If you're like me and have little ones, this car trash can is a lifesaver. I used to just kind of store it in like the car door pocket, you know what I'm talking about, but now I actually have this car trash can on my little center console towards the kids. Super easy to put all of their snacks, random trash, and it is currently 20% off today. The next thing is a large ornament storage box. It houses 128 ornaments, and this is currently on sale for 24% off. I know it's so early, but I definitely do my Christmas shopping here on Amazon Prime Day, and this set of wrapping paper is so gorgeous. It has like pink and blue and just super girly and fun. This today is 25% off. I have this one picture of my daughter that I really want to find a cute frame for. So I have found the frame and it is currently on sale today. This is a gorgeous pearl frame, 8x10 frame. It also comes in a whole bunch of different sizes as well. Currently 20% off, so definitely found my frame for my daughter's picture. The next thing are these hanging wall files. These are perfect for any mudroom or kitchen kind of command center, so you can store what the ins and out, your mail, the school projects, school letters, all that kind of stuff. Currently 25% off today. I've had my eye on this little Snoopy for Halloween for decoration, totally random, but today it's 32% off for anyone else who is a Snoopy lover like us. This next thing are these pant hangers, and they're space saving because you can hook multiple pants on a rack. Now this is so much better than what I've been doing. I've been just using my velvet hangers and hanging 3 or 4 like this way, and it just kind of looks messy. This makes it all look neat and it just goes up and down like that. This is a 2-pack of it for 33% off today. If you have little ones at home and you don't want them to get in certain things, or just anyone in general, I have this lockbox and we keep our medicines and things like that in here. So it has a little combination you can create, so only you and the people you give that combination to are able to access the contents of that box. There is a clear one that we use and also a different color one that you can't see the inside of it. These are currently 20% off. I have this car trunk organizer, and it has been a lifesaver for just keeping the things I need in my car daily. You can also fold this up, and this currently is 33% off, and there is an additional 20% off coupon you can apply on top of that. I have had my eye on these curtains for my dining room, and they are currently 53% off today. If you have been following me and see my cleaning videos, you know I love this UV flashlight. It is perfect to find any spots on your walls or carpet or floor that you may not want there and want to clean a little bit better that you can't see with the naked eye. So I had a cat, a dog, and kids potty training, so this has been a lifesaver. It is currently 65% off today, only $10. I have this wreath here that is perfect for the spring and summer, and it is 22% off. If you have an empty wall and are looking for wall decor for it, this is a really nice gallery wall kit that makes it really easy and simple. This is a 12-piece and currently 39% off. Now with dryers, there is that lint trap. Sometimes lint gets even deeper in there, so I have purchased this lint dryer vent cleaner kit, and it comes with this like big toothbrush, like really big, and I just kind of sweep it in there and it gets out all the extra lint that my lint trap may have missed. And today it is 20% off. This is highly recommended because that is one of the ways like house fires start, is because of the lint being stuck in that lint trap. One thing we use on a daily basis is this microwave cover. So this is perfect for whenever you're heating up anything in the microwave. It kind of is a splatter protector, so the remnants of all the food splatter isn't all over your microwave. It's just on this little cover. What's also neat about it is you can throw it in the dishwasher and you don't have to scrub it either. So makes cleaning and microwaving things a lot easier. Today it's 35% off. If you need a selfie stick, which my family always needs for like family gatherings, things like that, the one that I have is 41% off today. This next kitchen item is really neat because it is collapsible. So it's really nice because it's easy to store and you can also stretch it out so it fills up kind of the length of your sink. Today it is 26% off and I have the red one. One of our favorite sheets we love to get from Amazon is currently on sale. They're the Melanie ones and they are currently 41% off today. Guys, this next thing is a steal. So if you followed me, you know I love my Lodge scrapers. These are really nice to get that hard to get food like stains on your oven or counters or baby high chairs, things like that. Makes it super easy to clean. Today it's 75% off, only $1.87. Got to get these. These are perfect stocking stuffers for for adults as well. Highly recommend them. The next thing is my husband's pillow. He loves this. It has a little cooling gel on the top. He tends to run hot in like his sleep or whatever, but he loves this. It's 26% off, has an additional 20% off coupon today. This next thing is a pot lid, but it's a universal pot lid, so you can put it on top of any size pot and it will help kind of close it so you don't need multiple lids, and this is 22% off today. Next thing is Popsicle Molds, perfect for the summertime, really easy to create your own, and this is 35% off today. A cleaning gadget that I know a lot of y'all will love, and especially my husband, is the hair catcher. So this is a silicone little trapper that you can put on your drain, helps collect any strands of hair that may fall while you're taking a shower and helps clean that up other than go into the drain. Today it is 29% off. I have my eye on this. This is super cute. This is a car registration and insurance holder. I think this is perfect. The one I want is in pink. They come in different colors, but I thought this would be really easy and neat to have in my car, so whenever that unpredictability happens and you need your license and registration and all that kind of stuff, it'd be easier to find other than just to kind of digging through papers in your dashboard. And this is 40% off. I got almost everyone this as a stocking stuffer or Christmas gift this past year. These are wine stoppers, but they have initials on them, so they have the little initials, and I just did everyone's last name. Currently 20% off. The other sheets that we really like from Amazon are from Luxe Club and come in a whole bunch of different colors. They are 39% off today. Our desktop vacuum cleaner, I talked about this in a stocking stuffer video as well. My husband keeps it on his office desk. These are 38% off today. They are rechargeable USB, and then you just kind of move it on any kind of not spills, like dirt piles from food or dust or whatever, and it's amazing. Really easy to use. Highly recommend it. But that is it for this video. I will stay up to date and see if there's any new Amazon Prime deals that come out. So be sure to subscribe so you're up to date with all of my Amazon Prime videos today and tomorrow, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.